The days of like people inspecting their own cars is kind of gone. Right, so they put all these covers on there so you don't see the engine anymore, but they don't even give you dipsticks unless you know how to unlock the cluster. They want you to bring it to the dealership or just a shop, I'll say, right? They make it pretty difficult now for people to kind of maintain the vehicles on their own. So if you don't know that type of stuff, you don't know how to check things, then bring it in, because we do a visual 15-minute inspection, no wrench inspection, gander around and make sure everything looks safe. I would do it sooner than later, right? Don't wait until we're in the 120-degree heat to make sure your cooling system and your AC, everything works. Very uncomfortable. Drive around with no AC. Someone's going on a trip out of town and they'll come a couple days before they go out. And I always find something. You need to do this now. You won't make it to Flagstaff. It causes a huge frustration, huge panic for the customer. It's the day before your trip. You need something that I can't get the parts for another day. Come in a couple weeks prior to it. That way I can look at it, make sure everything looks good. And if we need to do something, I have the time to repair it. Instead of like, trying to scramble to fix the issue, or it will be like, I can't meet your expectation because I didn't have enough time. It's not that we can't do it, it's just we can't do it in your timeline. That's a crappy situation as well. People gotta go to work, right? Well, you could drop it off with me in the morning and I'll Uber you to work. Do your service, do whatever you're bringing the car for, and then we'll come pick you up. And I'll pick you up, we'll bring you back here, get your car, drive your car home. We have a Sprinter out there, transport company. They move stuff across the country. Van broke down. I think the belt fell apart. Anyway, she brings it to us because she's traveling. She needs to go home now because she can't deliver her packages until we fix the van. So we took her to the airport so she could fly home. I think it's going to see her kid's graduation. You scratch our back, we scratch your back, right? You bring your van to us, we'll fix it. We'll send you to the airport so you can go home and go see your kid or whatever. We've done this too, is like where we go get the car from you at work, bring it here, do the service, and drive it back to you. It's like there's a bunch of options. So that way you can still work or whatever you're doing. Totally can take you back and forth. I think they call it up front like a ride share service, right? So we could totally do that too. Totally. I think that's a big benefit. That's like a lot of places don't even offer something like that. Let's say you bring it in for an oil change and I find something major, probably not good for you to leave. That's another part where we'll Uber you to work or back home, fix the car, bring you back. I would say be proactive, be preventative about your car, especially rolling into the summer. It's gonna be a summer. It's gonna be real hot, I think. And I think it's also gonna be very wet. I think we're actually gonna get real monsoons this year. Prepping for wiper blades working, tires, right? You don't want low tire tread with rain on the road, especially the way it flash floods here. Like now's the time. We look at everything, bumper to bumper, inspect it. So if you just came in even for an oil change, you get an oil service out of it and we look at the whole car. I found a couple items on this one too, but we sent her to work. That's about all I got.
Pull up to the Benz Shop.